This is Okami, President of Mazda, Malaysia. I am proud to introduce our brand new product, CX-8, at Mazda Kulim Plant of Malaysia. In this video, we will show how we can build and manage CX-8 production quality in this plant. Please enjoy it.
Aligned with our company vision to be a preferred assembly partner of the region, collaboration and working closely with Mazda Malaysia is crucial in realizing our aspiration. Hence, I'm honored having a team here led by Okami with us to fulfill our journey.
With a decision to introduce the CX-8, and extensive preparation has been done to the facilities and people to meet the stringent Mazda requirement. Welding strength, ED coating, tightening are our main focus toward high-quality vehicles. To ensure those quality are met, we perform teardown process for welded body, ED body and complete assembled vehicles. Definitely, paint quality confirmation is our utmost criteria to be met for us to produce Mazda signature color.
In body shop, we are focusing on quality perfection for clean surface, good body welding and high body accuracy to realize Kodo design and CX-8 body. In order to achieve it, we improve our process by introducing new robots in the welding process and inline safe quality checking by our people to ensure high quality vehicle for all Mazda drivers. At the same time, we send our people to learn and experience Mazda production system and their philosophy.
In paint shop, to assure final paint quality, we are implementing 4C concept where we assure our clean body, painting in clean booth using clean paint and bake in clean oven. We result the same paint quality as Mazda Japan plant. Mazda also has invested to build fully automation painting facilities using new technology to produce attractive paint for our customer.
In the TCF shop, our operators emphasize on quality in each and every process involved. With the implementation of program worksheet, we ensure our produced product has the same quality and value level as Mazda Japan and operated by workers with pride, kodawari and ambitious mindset toward our MKP mission.
In quality inspection line, we confirm all the vehicles quality from body shop welding line to TCF assembly line in Mazda Kulim Plant. To safeguard highest quality, all the operators place customer as the first priority and strictly follow Mazda inspection guideline as well as Mazda quality standards.
In MKP, our vision is to contribute to the growth and prosperity of Malaysia. All MKP employees are working very hard to improve the quality continuously and to deliver our vehicle beyond the customer's expectation.